already started the questions and complex numbers and quadratic equations. We'll continue that. The first question onwards will continue. From the first question onwards, we can continue. See the first question, what they given. The conjugate of the complex number 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. Just copy the first question. 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. Conjugate. First of all, you can convert the given question in the form of a plus ib. After that, you can find the conjugate. Okay. The given question is 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. Let us assume z is equal to 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square in denominator. Correct now? That is only given question. So we can rewrite as 2 minus I by 2 minus I by expand denominator 1 plus 4i square minus 4i. That is equal to 2 minus I by 4i square. 4i square means minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4i. Rationalize the denominator. Minus 3 plus 4i by minus 3 plus 4i. Multiply numerator 2 3s are minus 6 plus 8i. Minus of minus plus 3i. Plus into minus minus 4i square. Divided by minus 3 whole square 9 minus 16i square. Okay. Now minus 6 plus 11i plus 4 by 25. Minus 2 plus 11i by 25. They are asking conjugate. So z bar is equal to minus 2 minus 11i by 25. What is meant by conjugate means before imaginary part, whatever symbol is there, that you can change. So which option? Minus 2 minus 11i by 25. It is second option, correct? So I repeat once again what I did. Just very simple. In the given question, denominator is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab formula applied. After that, I rationalize the denominator. Why I rationalize the denominator means always the question in the form of a plus ib or a minus ib. So now I convert into a plus ib. So we want z bar minus 2 minus 11i by 25. Understand? Copy it. See, for explanation in a KCET question, it takes minimum 3 minutes. Okay. So we can start in time to the class. Okay. This is the first question. They're asking to find the conjugate of a complex number. Complete. Can I move to the next question? Happy morning to everyone. I'll move to the next question. They're given like this. The conjugate of the complex number 1 plus I whole cube plus 1 by I. I repeat once again the second one. The conjugate of the complex number 1 plus I whole cube plus 1 by I. I have to do 1 plus I whole cube plus 1 by I. 1 plus I whole cube plus 1 by I. This is the given question. How to solve this? A plus B whole cube formula you are aware. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square. A square means 1 square. A square B plus 3A B square plus 1 by A you can rationalize into I by I. 1 cube value 1, I cube value minus I. 3I plus 3I. I square value minus 1, so minus 3. This is nothing but in bracket I will write I by I square. No? I square means minus 1, so minus I will come. Z is equal to 1 no minus 3 minus 2 plus I. We want Z bar no minus 2 minus I. Which option? Z bar means minus 2 minus I. First option. Understand? Good. So I used here, I can write for you what is A plus B whole cube formula, what I used. A plus B whole cube formula I wrote A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. And this one what I did means 1 by A, just I rationalized. After rationalizing what I got, I by I square I got. I square means minus 1. So I by minus 1 minus I. That only I wrote here. Okay. This is the second question. Second question also they are asking conjugate. So I converted in the form of A plus IB. We got minus 2 plus I. After Z bar what I will get? Minus 2 minus I. Understood? Completed? Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 also they are asking conjugate. 2 plus 3A by 1 plus 2A. The given question is not in the form of A plus IB. So we can convert in the form of A plus IB by rationalizing the denominator. So 2 plus 3A by 1 plus 2I. 2 plus 3A by 1 plus 2I. 2 plus 3A by 1 plus 2I. Just rationalize 1 minus 2I by 1 minus 2I. Multiply numerator. Numerator if you multiply 1 term, 2 ones are 2. Z is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 2 2s are 4I plus 3I into 1 3I minus 6I square divided by denominator 1 minus 4I square. Good morning, sir. Sir, good morning.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir,
I will.
ಇವತ್ತು
Huh?
102 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 102.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು.
6I square is nothing but plus 6. 2 plus 6 8. 8 minus I by denominator 5. This is Z. We want Z bar. So Z bar means conjugate. Conjugate means before complex number. That means plus I by 5. Which option? 8 plus I by 5. First option. Numerator just I multiply denominator A square minus B square. 4I square means minus 4. Minus or minus plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Understand? Z bar means 8 plus I by 5. Next question. Question number 4. The least positive integer n such that I power n is equal to 1. Least positive integer, my dear students, you cannot substitute 0. Positive, they mentioned clearly, least. Least positive integer means I power n is equal to 1. In place of n, substitute 1. I power 1 I. In place of n, substitute 2. I power 2 minus 1. I power 3 minus I. I power 4 1. What is the least multiple if you substitute? You got 1. N is 4. N is 4. Previous question, you can rationalize the denominator and you will get the answer. You try on your own. Previous question, just you rationalize the denominator, multiply. You will get the answer, okay? 2 plus 3i by 1 plus 2i. If you rationalize 1 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i, correct? Multiply denominator, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are minus 4i, 3i into 1 3i, minus 6i square by 1 minus 4i square. 6i square is nothing but minus 6, no, minus or minus plus 8. Minus I by 4i square means minus 4. We want conjugate, z bar, 8 plus I by 5, correct? Previous question over, everyone? Understood? This is fourth question. This is fifth question, correct? No? This is third question, this is fourth question. This is fourth, this is third. Someone asked a doubt, third one, now you clear? So even fourth one, once again I'll repeat, I power n is equal to 1 means, in place of n substitute 1. I power 1 I. I square means minus 1. I cube means minus I. I power 4 means 1. Correct now? Very good. I'll move to the next question. That is the question number 5. Shall I move to the question number 5, everyone? Yes. Question number 5, we'll see now. The least positive integer n for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. I can give one shortcut to you. What is meant by 1 plus I by 1 minus I means I. Other sometimes 1 minus I by 1 plus I kottanu idu minus I. These two are shortcuts. Sir, how you know, sir, 1 plus I by 1 minus I means rationalize. 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. Numerator 1 plus I square plus 2i by denominator 1 minus I square. 1 no I square cancel because I square value minus 1 alva. 2i by 2, 2 cancel I, correct? So whenever 1 plus I by 1 minus I is there means you can write I. By suppose 1 minus I by 1 plus I is there means minus I. These two are the shortcuts you need to remember. Now what is 1 plus I by 1 minus I? I power n is equal to 1. It is looking like a fourth question. I power n is 1 means what is n value? 4 now? I power 4 1 now? Because they given, sir, I power 0 also 1 also you can think, but they given least positive integer. Whenever least positive integer is there, you can consider in place of n 4. Understand what I am speaking? So whatever CET class is there, complete class I'm uploading in YouTube also. You can, if anyone is missing the class or you came late also, you can go through YouTube channel, okay? Can I move to the next question, everyone? So here I given one shortcut to you. What is the shortcut means? Whenever 1 plus I by 1 minus I is there, you can write I. Whenever 1 minus I by 1 plus I is there, you can write as minus I. I'll move to the question number 6. You need to follow little speed because time is very less for us. No, I'm repeating. If you didn't miss the concept, yeah, I'll repeat. Okay. 1 plus a whole power n by 1 minus a whole power n minus 2. Dear students, I can rewrite like this. 1 plus I whole power n by 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus I whole square. A power m minus n formula. Excuse me. A power m by a power n. No? Yes or no? So that formula I used. 1 minus a whole power n minus 2 I wrote as 1 minus a whole power n in divided by to divided by, it will go to numerator. Now one more time. This full term I can rewrite as 1 plus I by 1 minus a whole power n into, expand this, 1 plus I square minus 2i. Whenever 1 I square I can cancel. You know why? What is I square value? Minus 1. That's why. This value already we discussed. 1 plus I by 1 minus I means I power n into minus 2i. What is the given question? The least positive integer n for which it is a real number. That means how much you can substitute in place of n, you are getting a real number. Now n place 1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then what is the answer I will get? I power 1 into minus 2i. Minus 2i square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Minus 2 into minus 1. 2 is real number, no? How much I substitute in place of n, I got the real number. N equal to 1. Fast example n equal to 2 ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ wrong. What they're asking, in place of n, how much you are substituting, you are getting a real number. I substituted in place of n 1, I got a real number. So answer is 1. Don't write 2. This is question number 6. How much you substitute in place of n, you got a real number. Means in place of n I substituted 1, I got real number. Whatever it should be real number. We don't want real number. We want what is the value of n. Denominator a minus a power m minus n formula, a power m by a power n. 1 plus I by 1 minus I means I expanded, 1 no I square cancel, minus 2i. In place of n I substituted 1. I got 2. 2 belongs to real number. So what is the value of n means 1. Complete. Can I move to the next question? Everyone is ready for next question? Good. Next question, you are telling the answer. Very good, everyone. I power 243. Yes, yesterday you did know. Question number 7, I power 243 with very nearest multiple. I power 240 into I cube. I power 240 means 1. I cube means minus I. Total answer minus I. I think it is question number 4, option 4, correct? Yes. I'll move to the question number 8. Just copy question number 8, everyone. Yes. 1 plus I into 1 plus 2i, 1 plus ni, and so on is equal to x plus I, right? Then the value of 2 into 5 into 10. You can just write on the board what they given. 1 plus I, 1 plus 2i, and so on. 1 plus ni is equal to x plus iy. 2, 5, 10, 2, 5, and so on. 10 is equal to 1 plus n square. One plus n square is equal to what they are asking. I have an idea about this question. It is nothing but real part square plus imaginary part square. Correct? Just observe here. What is the real part 1? 1 square plus what is the imaginary part 1? 1 square plus 1 square 2. Here also 1 square plus 2 square. 1 plus 4 5. Here also 1 square plus n square. 1 plus n square. Then what is here possible? X square plus y square now. Square of real part plus square of imaginary part. Which option? X square plus y square. I think it is third option. Correct, no? Just the logic is real part square plus imaginary part square. That's the logic. Understand? Can I move to the next question, everyone? They given now the next question onward they're asking the principal amplitude, angle, theta, this type of words. Okay, same meaning, amplitude. Are you copying the question? Yes, you can copy. 9th question, everyone. Question number 9. You observe every time for each and every question, it will take minimum 3 minutes of time for explanation and you are writing. Okay. Now see, I started at 6. Now it is 24 minutes. We complete 8 questions. Exactly 3 minutes. 3 minutes and more I will take. Okay. The principal value of the amplitude of 1 plus I. I can use the shortcut while finding this question answer. 1 plus I. X is 1, Y is also 1. Tan theta value, Y by X, correct? Tan theta 1. Theta is pi by 4. Both X and Y are positive, correct? Both X and Y are positive means directly theta, no? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 means how many degrees? 45 degrees. Which option? They given pi by 4 only, no? Second option. Always the given question you can consider as X plus IY. X is 1, Y is 1. Tan theta formula Y by X. 1 by 1, 1. Theta pi by 4. Both X and Y are positive. Understood everyone what I'm explaining? Please respond back in the chat box. Next question. Question number, if you observe, question number 10, we are moving now. The principal value of the amplitude of minus 1 plus I root 3 is minus 1 plus I root 3, my dear students. Minus 1 plus I root 3. X is minus 1, Y is root 3. Tan theta, Y by X. Y means root 3 by minus 1. According to our table, plus minus, plus minus, plus plus minus minus, theta, pi minus theta, minus of pi minus. Don't forget this table. Every time you can write this table. Okay, X, Y angle. Now X negative, Y positive, pi minus theta. Root 3 means tan how many degrees? 60 degrees, pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3. What is the answer? 2 pi by 3. Correct now? Root 3 means tan how many degrees? That's why. Which option? Third option. And when you have doubt, you can ask me once again. According to the table, we have pi minus theta. Okay. Pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Okay. Complete. Can I move to the next question? Yes. What is the next question? They given 11th one. Argument of Z1 by you don't go with the complicated of the concept. Again, why tan inverse and all those things. If X value negative, Y value positive, pi minus theta. That's it. We cannot use tan inverse here. Okay. Tan theta negative K means negative or positive, leave it. You see the X value, Y value. X negative, Y positive, pi minus theta. Like that. Only the table important. Whatever table here is there, this is important. Okay. Theta is equal to tan inverse of minus root 3 minus, it's wrong. Okay. Because X negative, Y positive, pi minus theta. That's why I explained this table. Understood? If Z1 and Z2 are any two complex numbers, argument of Z1 by Z2 is equal to arg Z1 minus arg Z2. It's a formula. Already we discussed in formula. Okay. It's a purely formula. Remember. Arg Z1 by Z2 is equal to arg Z1 minus arg Z2. 11th one, direct formula, third option. Come back to the 12th question, everyone. The smallest positive integer n for which 1 plus 2a whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus 2a whole power 2n. How much you are substituting in place of n, then both are equal, they are asking. Okay. You see the question clearly, everyone? 1 plus 2a whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus I whole power 2n. Then what is the value of n? One plus 2i whole power n is equal to 1 minus 2i whole power n. Correct? Huh? Expand this 1 plus, in place of n, first substitute 1. 2n, correct. 1 plus I. 1 plus I whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus I whole power 2n. Suppose in place of n substitute 1. What we will get? 1 plus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square. Both are not equal. 1 plus I square plus 2i, 1 plus I square minus 2i. I square 1 cancel 2i. I square 1 cancel minus 2i. Not equal now. Now you substitute in place of n 2. Then it become 1 plus I whole power 4 is equal to 1 minus I whole power 4. 1 plus I whole power 4, can I write whole square whole square? 1 minus I whole square, can I write 1 minus I whole square whole square? Expand. 1 plus I square plus 2i whole square. 1 plus I square minus 2i whole square. I square 1, I square 1 cancel. 4i square is equal to 4i square. Equal now. So n equal to 2, if you substitute, it is equal. N equal to is the right answer. Which option? Second option. What I am speaking, you understood? In place of n, if I substitute 1, both are not equal. In place of n, if I substitute 2, both are equal. Therefore, n is equal to 2 is the right answer. You cannot transfer RHS to left hand side. LHS is equal to RHS means we cannot transfer RHS to left hand side, no? They said how much you substitute in place of n, that both are equal, no? That's why. One plus I by 1 minus I power 2n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Correct, Amma? Very good, Sahana. She said one shortcut, my dear students. Very good, Sahana. What she said, you transfer to left hand side. Then what will happen? 1 plus 2a whole power 2n by 1 minus a whole power 2n. 1 plus I by 1 minus a whole power 2n. Correct, huh? Is equal to 1. 1 plus I by 1 minus I means what? I power 2n 1 now. N is equal to 2 now. 2 2s are 4. I power 4 1 now. So n is 2. Like that also possible. Very good, sir. Huh? Simple shortcut. Good. I can use your answer, your logic next time while explaining. Correct. This also possible. Now what I wrote in blue color. 1 minus I, if I transfer this side, 1 plus I, 1 minus I power 2n is 1 means n is equal to 2. In simplest way, we can get answer. Can I remember the next question, everyone? Yes, sir. No, everyone. Can I move to the next question? Yes. Next one. E question many times they given in the examination. Okay, that's important question. The real part of the complex number. Right question, first options I will show. 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. One by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. First of all, it is not a complex number, correct? See the options. Root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Real part of the complex number. So convert the given question in the form of a plus ib and you can find the value of a. Okay. First rationalize the denominator. Into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin. Multiply numerator. 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by denominator a plus b into a minus b. This is a. This b. This is a. This b. A plus b into a minus b. A square. 1 plus cos theta whole square. Minus I square sin square theta. Numerator. 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus or minus plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, correct? 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by this is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. If you take 2 common and separate, 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. This term cancel. 1 by 2. Real part only they ask 1 by 2. Real part how much? 1 by 2. Nothing I did, very easy. Just I rationalize the denominator. A plus b square formula expansion. I square value minus 1 minus or minus plus sin square theta. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Already 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Even no, 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. Take 2 common, separate the terms. 1 by 2 is the answer. This question many times I given in the examination. Very, very important in KCET. Do it fast. They won't ask for imaginary, don't worry. Second part you need to say. They ask for imaginary. Sin theta by 2 into 2 plus cos theta. They won't ask. I cancel both terms. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, I cancel 1 by 2 is left. This is not required. This is the complex imaginary part not required. Only this is required for you. Only this part is enough for you. After that part, I wrote 2i sin theta, 2i sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. I separated the terms. Do it fast. Do it fast. Can I move to the next question? Everyone. Yes, what is the next question? You can see, everyone. The question they given like this. Question number 14, the modulus and amplitude. Dear student, modulus means yesterday we did so many questions. Amplitude means angle. Okay. First of all, given question is in the form of a plus ib or not, you can check it. The given question is in the form of a plus ib or not, you can check it, everyone. What is the given question they are given? 1 plus 2i by 1 minus of 1 minus a whole square. So how to solve this? The given question is not in the form of a plus ib. 1 plus 2i by 1 minus of 1 minus a whole square. One plus 2i by 1 minus of 1 minus a whole square. Okay. So how to do this? 1 plus 2i by, expand this, 1 minus of 1 plus I square minus 2i. I square 1 cancel. 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. Both cancel. 1. So z is 1. Magnitude of z is also 1. So I need to say two things to you, but actually I didn't say to you. Now I am saying. You can copy it, very, very important. So magnitude 1. Z is equal to 1 means 1 plus 0, I know. Then what is theta? Y by x. X is 1, no, y is 0. 0 by 1, how much? 0 degrees. So magnitude 1, angle 0 degrees. Understand? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is the answer. Which option? 1 comma 0, which option? Fourth option. Correct now? Fourth option is there now. Shreya, your video is switch off. I can say 2 points after this question. Wait a minute. First you write this question on solution. After that I can say 2 points to you. What's your doubt, Sujan? Sujan, what's your doubt? Sujan, what's your doubt? I unmuted you. Please unmute yourself. Okay, fine. No problem. Denominator 1 minus I whole square, just I expanded. 1 plus I square minus 2i. I square 1 no cancel. Minus of minus plus 2i. 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. 1. Z1 magnitude of Z also 1. Angle x1 no y0. 0 by 1. 0. 0 degrees. I can say 2 points to note. Can I complete? Can I rub this one? Complete everyone? Say yes or no, please. Yes, good. Now you can write 2 points. The first point is, I can dictate you, right? The given complex number contains only real part. Then theta is equal to 0 degrees or pi. Out of these two, anything is possible. Next point. Point number 2. The given complex number contains only imaginary part. That means I, 2i, 3i, 1 by 2i, root 3i, like that, only that number. Then theta is pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. For examples here, how theta means root 3i minus I, 1 by 2i, like that. Here theta means 3, 5, minus 2, like that. Only numbers. Only numbers given means like 0 or pi, angle, theta. Only imaginary part given means theta is pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. So next time almost no need to solve, no need to use the formula tan theta equal I by x. Directly in the given question only real part is there, then directly write 0 or pi. Only imaginary part is there, you can write pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. Understood? Next question. This is a ridiculous question. Both options they can give, but according to question we can opt to answer, no? If the question contains only real part, then 0 or pi possible. 0 pi, they how they will give? They cannot give both options. No? I can go Bangalore to Mysore, Bangalore to Tumkur at a time, sir. Possible, la? Question number omega. So much is there to discuss about omega. Cube roots of unity. We can call it as omega. First copy 15th question. I'll explain about omega first. Completed? Yes. Saved on both sides. How to solve this question means, before solving this question, I can say some of the important points about omega. What is meant by omega means cube roots of unity. What is cube roots of unity means? Suppose x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, or alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is 0, or k square plus k plus 1 is 0, anything. This is called cube roots of unity. Quotient of x square 1, quotient of x 1, and constant is also 1. Cube roots of unity. We know actual formula, minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You are all aware of this, correct? Here a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. Correct? Huh? So minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. Root of minus 3 means what? Root 3i, no? So what is omega means minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. What is omega square means minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Right up to here first. Everyone? Right up to here. Omega and omega square values, right? You know this formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In place of a, b, c, I substituted 1. I got this answer. Omega is called 1 minus 1 plus root 3a by 2. Omega square is nothing but minus 1 minus root 3a by 2. I am not solving 15th question, my dear students. I am explaining the some of the synopsis part for 15th question. Not only 15th question, compulsory omega question will repeat in the examination. omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. Omega square is equal to minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Completed. Now you can observe, my dear students, I can find omega cube value. Omega cube means omega into omega square, no? Minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 into minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Multiply. A plus b times b, a square minus 1 whole square 1 minus root 3i square 3i square by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 by 4, how much? 1. So what I understood, omega cube 1. Omega power 6 also 1. Omega power 9 1. Multiple of omega, that means power 3 means it is always equal to 1. Next, I want omega power 5. Omega cube into omega square. It is nothing but omega square. Omega power 10. Omega power 9 into omega. Like that. Okay. For omega power 3 means 1. Okay. Write this one. This already you wrote. Just I can write this one. Copy this up to here. Fast. We'll move to the next one. Next one means now I can consider 1 plus omega square. I can write the color change. Sujendra, I didn't understood what you are writing. Speak to me in the mute.
Sir,
Mute your-
omega square, sir.
I already wrote
Yeah.
plus or minus now. Plus means omega, minus means omega square.
Like that only, sir.
Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. Plus and
Hangit-
minus. Plus means
Plus, sir.
omega, minus means omega square. Okay. Now you can consider 1 plus omega square. 1 plus, what is omega value? Minus 1 plus root 3a by 2. Omega square value? Minus 1 minus root 3 by 2. 2 LCM. 2 minus 1 plus root 3a. Root 3 cancel. 0. So 1 plus omega square, how much? 0. Dear students, very, very important. 1 plus omega square, how much? 0. 1 plus omega square value, 0. Minus 1 whole square, 2 root 3a, minus plus 3a square, minus 4. Same, that's right. That only omega square, no? Omega into omega square, same you will get negative. Completed. Now I will start the problem. What is our question? 1 plus omega square whole power n equal to 1 plus omega power 4 whole power n. Then the least positive integral value of n. 1 plus omega square whole power n equal to, I according to formula 1 plus omega square is 0. From this, what is 1 plus omega square? Minus omega, no? Omega power 4 means what? Omega. Yes or no? Omega power 4 means omega cube into omega, no? I didn't understood. Please, can you speak once, Monisha? I didn't get it what you're saying.
Sir, the previous one, 1 plus omega square, I was still writing, sir.
Is equal to 0. Just addition of all the three. Here I wrote again. 1 plus omega square 0. You can remember just like a formula, this one, okay?
Okay,
I
sir.
substituted just value, omega square. Take LCM and cancel, okay? You will get 0. It's a formula.
Yes,
From
sir.
this, what is omega? 1 plus omega is minus omega square. 1 plus omega square is minus omega.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. 1 plus omega means minus omega square whole power n.
Mm.
Now, how much we are substituting in place of omega? In place of n, these both are equal. Just now we discussed in place of n, 3 means both are equal, no? N is equal to 3. This formula 1 plus omega square 0. From that formula 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Similarly, 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So I am explaining each and everything very clearly to you. I am not writing any direct step in this question. Okay. They are asking least or largest. The least positive integral means n. N is 3. They ask what is the smallest number we substitute in place of n. Smallest number is 3. Largest number, anything possible. 6, 9, 15, anything possible. Multiple of 3 means it is 1 now. If you substitute in place of n3, what you are getting? Minus omega cube is equal to minus omega power 6. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Equal now. That's it. How much we substitute in place of n? These two are equal. N equal to 3. This is the story of omega. Understand? This is the story of